addition of two matrices using Python programming. Let A is equal to A be a matrix of order say m by n, and B is another matrix having order p by q. Then addition is possible only if m is equal to p and n is equal to q. Means what? If both the matrices have same dimension, then addition is possible. For example, if A is equal to say 1 2 3 4 5 6 and say B is another matrix having 1 2 8 9, then the order of the first matrix is 2 by 3. It contains 2 rows and 3 columns, and order of the matrix B is 2 by 2. Now here number of rows of A matrix is equal to number of rows of B matrix, but number of columns in matrix A not equal to number of columns in matrix B, and therefore here addition of two matrices is not possible. So this is not possible, you cannot find the addition of these two matrices. If we take one more example, say A is equal to 1 2 3 4 and B is another matrix say 6 7 8 9, then A plus B is equal to 1 plus 6 is 7, 7 plus 2 is 9, 3 plus 8 is 11, 4 plus 9 is equal to what? 13. Now so if both the matrices have same dimension, then we can add corresponding entries. Now we are going to check or we are going to find addition of two matrices by using Python programming. So first for row and column we are going to use here variables m and n. So m and n is equal to map int input number of rows or number of rows and column, enter number of rows and column of first matrix. Then similarly for P we use P and Q. P indicate the number of columns and Q indicate the number of P indicate the number of rows and Q indicate the number of columns of second matrix. So I am just copying this. Now we want to check whether number of rows of first matrix is equal to number of columns of second matrix, number of rows of first matrix is equal to number of rows of second matrix, and number of columns of first matrix is equal to number of column of second matrix. So if m is not equal to p or n is not equal to q, then display the message addition of matrices is not possible. So print addition of two matrices is not possible. Say addition is not possible. Now else now we want to enter the matrix A and matrix B from user. So again we create first empty list for matrix, we indicate the first matrix by m1, again by using for loop for I in range m, j in range for j in range say n. Again we want to create one more empty list, say small a is equal to, okay, we append first row or a row in A and then we append that row in matrix M1. So A dot append input int input matrix completed. Now we want to append this row to matrix M1. So M1 dot append A. Similarly, now we want to display a message print enter your matrix, print enter your matrix, your first matrix. Similarly, we want to enter the second matrix. Just copying this, Control C. M2 we indicate we use the notation M2 for matrix second, print enter your second matrix. Then for I in range P here, or you can use M also. If your M P and M are equal and N and Q are equal, so you can use M and N also. And here P, Q, M2 dot append. Okay, now we want to display these two matrices. So again, by using print your first matrix, then again for I in range, say M, and for J in range Q, M N, print M1 IJ, then M1 IJ want to display space after each element, so end. Okay, and then new line after each row, so print. Again, if we copy this, Control C, your second matrix is for I in range. You can use M and N also, because when else part is true, if your M is equal to P and N is equal to Q, and therefore you can use M, N or P and Q also. So here P and Q. Now we want to find addition of these two matrices. So again, we copy this, Control V, addition of these two matrices is equal to addition of two matrices is equal to M1 IJ plus M2 IJ, or here you can use P instead of M and N, you can use P and Q also. Okay, now if we run this code, so this is the code, you can see input number of rows and number of column of first matrix, second matrix. If m is not equal to p means what? If number of rows of first matrix not equal to number of rows of second matrix, or if number of columns of first matrix is not equal to number of column of second matrix, then display the message addition is not possible. Else we enter the first matrix, then we enter the second matrix, then we display the first matrix, then we display the second matrix, and then we find addition of these two matrices by using just m1 ij plus m2 ij. So if we run this code, number of rows and number of columns of first matrix, say 2 2, there is one error. We want to write split here. We want to assign m first entry to m and second entry to n. So one error by using split function or split keyword. So split split dot split, here also in second dot. Now again if we run this code, now enter number of rows and columns of first matrix, say 2 by 2, number of rows and columns of second matrix, say 2 by 2. If we enter the first matrix 1 2 3 4, enter the second matrix, say 5 6 7 8. Now you can see here your first matrix is 1 2 3 4, second matrix is 5 6 7 8. This is your first matrix 1 2 3 4, second matrix is 5 6 7 8, and their addition is what? 1 plus 5 is 6, 2 plus 6 is equal to 8, then 3 plus 7 is equal to 10, and 4 plus 8 is equal to 12. Now again if we run one more time, then if we now this time we enter 2 by 2, first the dimension of the first matrix is 2 by 2 and dimension of second matrix is 2 by 3. Now here rows of first matrix is equal to rows of second matrix, but columns of first matrix, number of columns of first matrix is 2 and number of columns of second matrix is 3. So here you will get the message addition is not possible. Why? Because the number of columns of second matrix, first matrix is not equal to number of columns of second matrix. Now again if we run this code for one more times, again we are formatting just matrix here, just I am writing equal sign. Okay, now if we run this code one more time, then number of rows and columns of first matrix is 2 by 3 and number of rows and columns of second matrix is 2 by 3. Now if we enter the matrix, say 1 2 3 4 5 6, then second matrix say again say 3 4 1 2 5 6. Now you can see here the first matrix is 1 2 3 4 4 5 6, second matrix is 3 4 1 2 5 6. Now you can see addition 1 plus 3 is 4, 2 plus 4 is equal to 6, 3 plus 1 is equal to 4, 4 plus 2 is 6, 5 plus 5 is 10, 6 plus 6 is what? 12. Okay, so thank you.